Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I am sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, in my last video, I had completed exercise A of comprehension of lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger, and had started with exercise B. Today, I'll be reading this lesson once again for you and continuing with exercise B. So all of you, please take out your notebooks and your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 30. Students, please take out your English notebook and your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 30, lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger. Students, first of all, I'm going to read this lesson for you and then I'm going to continue with the exercise B. So please listen carefully as I read this lesson. Lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger. Tiger was chosen as the national animal of India due to its grace, strength, quick movement and enormous power. As the tiger is also considered a mighty animal of jungle, it was an obvious choice for the national animal category. Tiger has always been considered as a royal animal. The tiger, as the national animal of India, symbolizes the power, strength, elegance, alertness, intelligence and tolerance of the nation. However, what is alarming is that there has been a steep fall in the population of tigers in the world due to illegal smuggling of tiger skin and other body parts. There are very few tigers left in the world today. There are only 5,000 to 7,000 tigers in the world today, out of which Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, China and Myanmar claim to have a population of 3,000 to 4,000 and India alone claims to have a population of 2,500 to 3,750 tigers. In India, out of the 8 known types of tigers, the Royal Bengal tiger is found throughout the country except in the northwestern region. As there was a fear that tigers might be wiped out from the Indian soil, the Indian government launched the Project Tiger in the year 1973. Project Tiger focuses on preserving the remaining tiger population in the country as well as increasing the population of the tigers. Under this project, 23 tiger reserves were established throughout the country, providing safe and comfortable shelter to the tigers in their natural environment. By 1993, there was much improvement in the tiger population in the country. However, despite the increase in population, the population of tigers in the country is still not satisfactory as compared to the effort and money put in the project. This is due to the illegal poaching of the tigers and negligence of authorities towards the alarming situation of the tiger population in the country. However, the latest estimates show that 2,226 tigers roamed through the forest reserves in the country in 2014. This shows an increase in the number of the national animal of India. With this, India has around 70% of the world's around 3,000 tigers. The efforts for the protection of tigers are showing results. In the coming years, the population of tigers will hopefully increase due to the efforts of the government and the people of our country. So students, this was the reading. Now let's revise exercise A of comprehension. So please turn to page number 32. Exercise A. Choose the correct option to answer the following questions. Question 1. Which of these is not the reason for the Bengal tiger to be chosen as the national animal of India? The correct option is option C. It looks beautiful. Question 2. which country has the maximum number of tigers? The correct option is option A, India. Third question, in which country was Project Tiger launched? When was it launched? The correct answer is option A. It was launched in India in 1973. Fourth one, which tiger is found throughout India except in the northwestern region? The correct option is option B. The answer is Royal Bengal tiger. Then the fifth one, how many tiger reserves were established throughout the country under this project? The correct answer is option B, 23. There were 23 tiger reserves which were established in 1973 under this project. Now exercise B. Students, there are different headings given in the column, and in my last video I have explained and written the first three headings. I'll revise those and then I'll start with the fourth one. Now, the first heading is year of establishment and the country. And the answer is 1973, India. The Project Tiger was established in 1973 and in which country? In India. So you will just write 1973, India. Then the second heading is aim of project. What was the aim of the Project Tiger? The answer is, as there was the aim of the project was preserving the remaining tiger population in the country as well as increasing the population of the tigers. What was the aim of the project? Preserving the remaining tiger population in the country as well as increasing the population of the tigers. Then the third heading is reasons for starting it. What was the reasons? What were the reasons for starting Project Tiger? So, the reasons are, as there was a fear that tigers might be wiped out from the Indian soil. As there was a fear that tigers might be wiped out. Wiped out means finished. एक दिन वो सब इंडिया से खत्म हो जाएंगे. तो उस डर के कारण प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर एस्टैब्लिश किया गया. So as there was a fear that tigers might be wiped out from the Indian soil. Now the fourth heading. Now the fourth heading is, what was the plan? What was the plan? Project Tiger का बेटा प्लान क्या है? So under this project, 23 tiger reserves, RESERVES, reserves were established, established throughout the country. Throughout the country मतलब पूरे country में, कहीं भी. Throughout the country providing is not visible. Wait, I write over here. After comma, PROVIDING, providing safe and comfortable comfortable shelter safe and comfortable shelter to the tigers in the natural environment. This is the plan. Sorry, this was the plan of Project Tiger. I'll read it out for you. Under this project, after project, please put a comma, 23 tiger reserves were established throughout the country. 23 tiger reserves इस project के अंदर established हुए पूरी country में, providing safe and comfortable shelter, है ना. और ये क्या करते थे, ये safe and comfortable shelter अभी भी tigers को प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं उनके नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट में. ऐसा नहीं कि उनको केज में, पिंजरे में या कहीं एनक्लोजर्स में रखा हुआ, उनको नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट में, उनको ऐसा लगे कि वो जंगल में है. ऐसे 23 टाइगर रिजर्व्स एस्टैब्लिश किए कंट्रीज में जहां टाइगर्स को प्रिजर्व किया जा रहा है, उनको ब्रीड किया जा रहा है ताकि उनकी पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हो सके. सो व्हाट वाज द प्लान? द आंसर इज अंडर दिस प्रोजेक्ट 23 टाइगर रिजर्व्स were established throughout the country, providing safe and comfortable shelter to the tigers in the natural environment. And students, please write the spelling of environment correctly. आप लोग इस N को मिस कर जाते हो when you write the spelling of environment. I'm repeating it. Please check yours. ENVIRONMENT. So keep in mind, environment की spelling में 3 N होते हैं. आप लोग 2 ही लिखते हो. आप ये गवर्नमेंट का, एनवायरमेंट का ये वाला एन आप लोग भूल जाते हो लिखना. सो कीप इन माइंड दैट देयर आर 3 एन इन द स्पेलिंग ऑफ एनवायरमेंट. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द स्पेलिंग. इट इज ENVIRONMENT, एनवायरमेंट. फाइन. सो आई होप अभी सबने ये वाला लिख लिया. प्लीज राइट फास्ट सो दैट आई कैन इरेज इट, चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज इट एंड राइट द fifth one. Now the fifth one is, what was the effect of the plan? The fifth subheading is, what was the effect of the plan? ये जो प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर, जिस प्लान के स्टार्ट किया गया था, इसका असर क्या हुआ? ठीक है ना. यू राइट. हमने क्या पढ़ा कि देयर was much improvement. बहुत सुधार हुआ किसमें? टाइगर पॉपुलेशन में. There was much improvement in the tiger population there was much improvement in the tiger population in the country. जो टाइगर पॉपुलेशन थी उसमें बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ. So this was the effect of the plan of Project Tiger. So again I am repeating, what was the effect of the plan? The answer is there was much improvement in the tiger population in the country. I hope everyone has written. So now I am going to erase this and I am going to write the next heading, and that is the sixth heading. And the sixth heading, is the plan good? Sixth heading क्या है? Is the plan good? Is the plan good? So we write however, we'll write however, despite the increase, however, despite the increased population comma, the population of tigers in the country is still not, it's still not satisfactory is still not satisfactory as compared to the money, to the effort and money. पहले effort आएगा, effort and money, जितना एफर्ट लगा, जितनी कोशिश हुई है और जितना मनी लगा है उसके हिसाब से सेटिस्फैक्टरी नहीं है. Put in this project, put in the project. So the question says, is the plan good? क्या ये प्लान अच्छा है? So we have got the reason कि however, despite कि however टाइगर की पॉपुलेशन तो इंक्रीज हुई है, ठीक है, लेकिन पॉपुलेशन ऑफ टाइगर्स इन द कंट्री इज स्टिल नॉट सैटिस्फैक्ट्री. व्हाट वाज सैटिस्फैक्ट्री, जितना सोचा था उतनी नहीं इंक्रीज हुई है. वाई? इफ यू लुक इनटू द एफर्ट एंड मनी, जितनी मेहनत हुई है, जितनी कोशिश हुई है और जितना पैसा लगा उस प्रोजेक्ट में, उस प्रोजेक्ट उतना पैसा और मेहनत के हिसाब से टाइगर की पॉपुलेशन में और इंक्रीज होना चाहिए, बट जितना सोचा था उतना सेटिस्फैक्टरी रिजल्ट नहीं मिला. इंक्रीज हुई है, वी डोंट डिनाई, हम मना नहीं करते कि इंक्रीज नहीं हुई है, लेकिन सेटिस्फैक्टरी लेवल पे इंक्रीज नहीं हुई है एज कंपेयर टू द एफर्ट एंड मनी पुट इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट. क्लियर? सो again I'm repeating, is the plan good? So the answer what we have written as per the reading of the lesson is, however, despite the increased population, the population of tigers, I missed increase in population. I forgot to write in over here. Write in. However, despite the increase in despite the increase in population, the population of tigers in the country is still not satisfactory as compared to the effort and money put in the project. जितना effort लगा है, जितना money लगाया गया इस project में, उसके हिसाब से जितना tigers की population में increase होना था उतना नहीं हुआ. So I hope everybody has written this. So now I am going to erase this and write the last heading, the 7th heading. Now, the last heading is how can we improve it? How? I am sure all of you are writing this in your notebook. Again and again I am repeating. How can we improve it? हम इसको कैसे improve कर सकते हैं? So, illegal poaching, illegal hunting, poaching means hunting, of the tiger illegal poaching of the tigers must be banned. बैन लगाना एकदम उस पर रोक लगा देनी चाहिए. Illegal poaching of the tigers must be banned and Project Tiger should become a priority. अभी गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटीज प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर को निग्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं, बट उनके लिए ये एक प्रायोरिटी बन जाना चाहिए. प्रायोरिटी उनकी प्राथमिकता. प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर शुड बिकम अ प्रायोरिटी फॉर द गवर्नमेंट. जो गवर्नमेंट है उनके लिए प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर एक प्रायोरिटी बन जाना चाहिए. प्रायोरिटी मीन सबसे पहला काम जिसको वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंस दे. सो दिस इज दी हाउ कैन वी इंप्रूव इट. Illegal poaching of the tigers must be banned and Project Tiger should become a priority for the government. Illegal poaching बंद हो जानी चाहिए. पोचिंग मीन्स हंटिंग. एंड जो प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर है वो गवर्नमेंट की एक प्रायोरिटी, उनके फॉरमोस्ट काम में आना चाहिए. एंड अगर ऐसा हुआ तो होपफुली द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ टाइगर्स विल इंक्रीज इन द कमिंग ईयर्स. और अगर ऐसा हुआ तो वी होप कि आने वाले सालों में टाइगर्स की पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. क्लियर? सो विद दिस we have finished our exercise B, and I am sure all of you must have completed this exercise in the notebook. After completing the exercise, please close this box. Clear? Fine? So now I am going to erase the students and I am going to start with the next exercise. Exercise C. बेटा इस एक्सरसाइज ए को आपको बुक में करना है. बी हैज टू बी डन इन द नोटबुक बिकॉज आपकी बुक में उतनी जगह नहीं है कि आप इतना डिटेल्स लिख पाओ. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज एक्सरसाइज सी. आंसर the following questions. This also has to be done in the notebook. Take out your notebooks. You'll do this in the notebook only. And the first question is, why do people kill tigers? Why do people kill tigers? लोग टाइगर को क्यों मारते हैं? क्यों टाइगर का शिकार करते हैं? Now, there are many reasons for this, है ना? Because सबसे पहला रीजन तो ह्यूमन ग्रीड है, हमारी लालच है, क्योंकि लोगों को दूसरे कंट्री में उसके स्किन के, उसके बॉडी पार्ट्स के बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे मिलते हैं, तो वो लालच में अपने नेशनल एनिमल को किल करके उसके बॉडी पार्ट्स को वो स्मगल कर देते हैं टू द अदर कंट्रीज. सो आंसर इज पीपल kill tigers. People kill tigers for their skin. Tiger skin is very costly and ये इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स में इनको बेचा जाता है हाई प्राइस में. For their skin and other body parts. टाइगर की स्किन नहीं, बाकी के बॉडी पार्ट्स की भी इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में बहुत प्राइस मिलती है ना. कुछ दूसरी कंट्री के ऐसे लोग सोचते हैं कि टाइगर के बॉडी पार्ट्स को खाने से बहुत मेडिसिन्स में काम आती है and they can become as powerful as tiger. People think, which is not true. Fine. They smuggle जानते हैं ना, इलीगल कोई भी चीज कंट्री से बाहर भेजना या कोई भी चीज दूसरी कंट्री से मंगवाना, ये दोनों ही इलीगल है. और जो इलीगल सामान इधर उधर भेजना और मंगवाना, इसको स्मगलिंग कहते हैं. They smuggle these things illegally to fetch, जिसके बदले में उनको पैसा मिलता है. To fetch good price. This is the answer. And please class 5 students draw parting line after each answer using a scale and pencil. So question number 1 is, why do people kill tigers? The answer is, people kill tigers for their, and remember THEIR, their, ये प्रोनाउन वाला their आपको लिखना है. For their skin and other body parts. After body parts there is a full stop. They smuggle these things illegally to fetch, FETCH. What is the spelling of fetch? FETCH. They fetch a good price. Got it? Again I'm repeating. People kill tigers for their skin and other body parts. They smuggle these things illegally to fetch a good price. Got it? So students, today we have completed exercise B. I'm sure all of you must have done it neatly in your notebook with a pencil, and I have also completed the first question and answer of exercise C. And the remaining question and answers I'll be continuing in my next video. Till then students, please read this lesson again and again and complete exercise A in your book only. Exercise B and C are to be done in the notebook. So that's all for today students. Thank you students. good day ahead.